Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a design team package unboxing. Oh my goodness. You guys, it is it's amazing. Okay, this is coming from Anna, my craftingworlddesigns.com. You guys, if you don't know, she does have a YouTube channel and Instagram. So in the description box below, I will put all the links down in the drop down box. And also my discount code is Eileen10. So if you're interested in purchasing these items, if you use my code Eileen10 at checkout, you'll get 10% off of your purchase. So let's get into it, you guys. This is awesome. Oh my God. Anna is amazing coming out with these adorable die sets, and you guys can tell I love her dies. I've used her box purse die several times. I've used her beautiful armchair. I keep calling it the comfy chair. It's the armchair die set. It's a mini album die set several times. I mean, and the ephemera pieces, everything. There's so many that she brings out that is practical and you can use it all season round. So let's get into it. I'm going to, oh my gosh. Hey, we got crafting words number 2. Yes, this one has Memdex, treats, where's the word treat? Treats, bows, and goodies. Oh my gosh, bling. That is awesome. And trim, you guys, this is gonna be so cool. So my next goal is to use her word dies because these are great for Happy Mail. Oh my gosh, what a great combination. This is perfect for bag toppers, which I've also played with her bag topper. It's super cute. So go and check out her website. It's mycraftingworlddesigns.com. You guys won't be disappointed. Oh my gosh, don't forget the discount code. Look at this bow. It's a star bow. I love how she's doing this. She's labeled it so you know exactly the name of your dies that you're getting. Love it, Anna. I so love that you're putting these on here. Designed by Nicole Silhouettes. Anna, this is gorgeous. What a beautiful bow set. Oh my God, I can't wait to cut these. Wow, it's a double loop bow. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. And you have an option to use the regular tail or the slanted tail. And you can also use them all in combination of each other together. Ooh, endless possibilities. She also came out with a spool die. Oh my goodness, Anna. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. So this is going to make the cylinder part, I believe. So you get 2 different sizes. This length is about 3 1/4 inches from this edge to this fold edge right here. You'll get 3 1/4 inches. And the width is just, what do you have? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3/4 inch. Oh my gosh. So this is 3/4 inches, and then this one would be 1 inch, and then the same length for this one. So different height of the spool, because this, you just imagine this is going to be a cylinder. Oh my gosh. And then you get 2 different styles of the tops of your spool. Oh, this is going to be so cute. Oh my God, so many ideas now running through my head. This is going to be so much fun. Anna, this is a bomb.com beautiful die sets. Oh my gosh. You guys, she came out with another purse. This is the purse mini album, but look at this. It looks like a doctor's satchel or doctor's little medical bag, if I use the word correctly, I think. Don't come for me, medical people. Okay, so from the widest part of the bag, it measures 6 inches across. So this will fit into, or under 6 inches. This will definitely fit into our die cutting machines. Yep, it sure will. And then it comes with a flap for the opening, and it's about 4 1/4 at the base and 4 1/2 at the widest. So cute. You have a what is this part? I know what it is. I don't know the name of it. Well, anyway, it's the belt part that you could use as a closure. You got some finishing details here. Oh my gosh, the mini album. Look at this stitched handle. So the purse itself comes with a base and a stitch layer. The flap comes with the base and a stitch layer, and also the little belt loop here comes with that. But the handle is just straight stitching. You don't have an outer line, an outer base piece, I guess. I don't know. Lack of words right now. So here's the bottom of the bag, and it measures about, let's see, oh my gosh, about 2 2 1/8 inches wide or across, and then about 4 1/2 inches width, so to match up the bottom of the purse. And then you have another layering piece here for the back side. So that's your, or no, wait, what is this part? Ooh, oh, that's cool. Okay, I have to cut these out so that I know exactly what all these pieces are for. I'm assuming this is the side piece, because this is your front, and that could do also for your front and back, right? What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, Anna, I'm excited. I'm so excited. I can't even think. This would be on the the top. So this is the top, this is the bottom. Here's your side piece. This is the front and back layer and the flap, because you're making it basically similar to your box purse die. Let's see, let me grab it. Let me grab it real quick. Oh yeah, the box purse. So you're gonna have a front layer, a flap, and then the top piece. So that's what this piece is, I'm assuming. So you're attaching this part, or it might be the other way, one of the two. I've got to play with it so that I could really see. But also, guys, like I said, she is on YouTube, and usually when she comes out with these beautiful dies, she does have some how-to tutorials on putting these things together. I mean, look at how much stuff is in there. Actually, I had more things in this bag, but I used it. So I took it out. So just remember, go check it out, and let her know, you love this. Look at how big this is compared to the box. I'm excited again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, that is a lot, Anna. You are amazing. Keep rolling with your great ideas. Oh my goodness. You guys, you have to check out Anna's website. Super excited about this one. Oh my gosh, and this one, and this one, and this. I don't know, all of them. I love them all. Anna, great job. And if you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button. It's free to join the Happy Crafty Club of mine. It's not a club, guys. And then hit the notification bell. That way you know the next time I load a video or go live, you will be alerted when I do. So thank you all for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Helps YouTube know that you love my content. And it kind of helps with the YouTube algorithm. I don't know. I like saying it. Anyway, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.